In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page in Canva to another project. Whether you're a Canva novice or a seasoned designer, knowing how to efficiently move your work between projects can save you heaps of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to start by opening the Canva file that contains the content you'd like to copy. This could be any design you've been working on, whether it's a poster, social media post, or presentation. Navigate to the specific file, and once it's open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of your Canva workspace. Here, you'll notice a grid icon. Clicking this transforms your current view into a grid layout, allowing you to see all the pages of your design at a glance. This comes particularly handy if your project contains multiple pages, providing you with a neat overview that makes selecting pages much simpler. With your design now in grid view, it's time to select the pages you want to copy. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each page you wish to move. This allows you to select multiple pages simultaneously, making the process faster if you're dealing with several pages. Be sure to check that you've selected all the necessary pages before proceeding to the next step. Once you've got all the pages selected, the next move is to copy them. With the pages highlighted, press Ctrl and the letter C on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. If you're on a Mac, you'll substitute with Command and C. This action copies the selected pages to your clipboard, temporarily saving them so you can paste them elsewhere. Next, navigate over to the Canva project where you'd like to paste these pages. This will be the design into which you're importing your copied content. Once you're in the new project, get ready to paste those pages. Finally, bring your copied pages into this new project by pressing Ctrl and V if you're on a Windows PC or Command and V if you're using a Mac. Your pages should now appear in the new design, maintaining all elements and formatting as they were in the original project. With these simple steps, you've successfully copied pages from one Canva project to another. This method is incredibly useful for reusing layouts, transferring designs across different projects, or simply creating a consistent theme throughout various formats. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can incorporate this technique into your own Canva projects to streamline your design process. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.